Ladies and gents, we are here in Prague on Charles Bridge, 2nd of May, around 5 p.m. and I'm just gonna take you across Charles Bridge because I need to eat my favorite food, roasted duck, and that's on the other side. So this video will be fairly short, just to show you this area of Prague. It's a beautiful sunny day. I know I'm making a mistake to listen to my urges, but yeah, I just can't resist. Plus I've been walking for quite a few hours now, so the time has come.
They had like sours and
It's gonna be a little bit against the light, so not an ideal situation, but it is what it is. I would say early May is the best time to come here. Weather is incredible. Not too hot, not too cold.
interesting. It's different. Yes.
Да нет, я уже работаю.
It says you can get your painting done in 7 minutes.
Oh, Saturday is just almost unbearable. It's good for business, but then after a while you get like the whole day you're like, all right, who's next? And people are
Estoy a punto de sacarle la caja, decir, mira, toma. Pero digo, mira, voy a callar.
And the sun is gone for now.
Czy da radę 4 osoby?
Нет, подожди, а я где-то садила.
Wow, she's good. Let me just zoom in a little bit. I love that. That little girl has blue eyes. Wow. Amazing.
Albo na przykład mówię,
Hey. Oh, sorry. Woofies. I've got quite a few viewers from Pakistan since I've just returned from Pakistan a few months ago from filming around the country. So they do watch my Prague videos as well, and they said they're quite surprised how many dogs people have here as pets, and they like to walk with them. For them it's not their usual situation, so yeah, loads of dogs here. What's happening here? Must be some tour. Oh yeah. Not a fire.
to co byśmy te...
Nie wiem, co wy musicie zauważyć. Sprawdzane są 2 razy droższe niż normalnie stare miasto.
To jest taki jak mieliśmy...
Jaka?
Nice.
A vieš, na ne povedala, to je iba tak.
Strašně dělaný.
Prijedeš do Krakova, ideš spať.
I know this place serves only quarter of a duck. That's not good enough for me. I need, or maybe that's the next one, not this one. There is one restaurant behind this one. Yeah. I've had quarter of a duck and there was zero meat on it. Just not a good experience by my standards. So if you come to Prague, I highly recommend you pay a little bit more and get half of the duck, not quarter. Otherwise quarter is just not gonna cut it. This place was extremely busy yesterday because it's the first place behind the bridge, and maybe they've got good toppings. They definitely have the costumes going on. Because there is two more places behind that, and they were completely empty. See, everybody's eating the chimney cake here. How can you resist? There. Cinnamon in the air. Honestly, this must be the best smelling city in the world. I'm telling you guys. I'm giving Prague the award for best smelling city in the world. I mean, the cinnamon you smell with every step is incredible. Sugary, pancakey, waffly stuff. That kind of good stuff. Yum, yum, yum. But you know what, secretly I'm happy the sun has gone, so I don't feel as guilty for not filming, and I'm gonna chill and eat. As long as they have place for me, I'll be happy. Starbucks across the road. this is one of the places. I've never been here, but I saw it was extremely popular because of their food, I believe. I don't like this place personally. It's kind of crowded and stuff, but their food and menu seems amazing. So guys, I'm gonna end it here. If not, my other place is up the road, just there, so it wouldn't last much longer. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.